you, Mr. Chairman. Politics is driving the agenda in our federal agencies. If you don't believe me, just read the Durham report from yesterday. No probable cause, no predicate, no evidence whatsoever, and yet they used a fake dossier from the Clinton campaign to open an investigation into a presidential campaign. And they spied on American citizens. Here's what the Durham report said. Quote, the FBI failed to uphold their mission of fidelity to the law. They didn't follow the law. In 2020, we've just learned in the last couple of weeks, it was the Biden campaign working with 51 former intelligence officials to put together a letter that was not accurate to interfere with a presidential election. Politics is driving the agenda in far too many agencies in our government, and today it's not limited to presidential campaigns. Today they come after American citizens. You could be a Catholic attending a mass. You could be a parent showing up at a school board meeting, or you could be like Mr. Houck, a pro-lifer praying at a clinic, and you will be targeted. You could be targeted by our government. That is how scary the situation has become. So I want to thank Mr. Houck and the other witnesses for being here today. God bless you, Mr. Houck, what you had to go through. 20 agents showing up at your house in front of your wife, your 7 children, arresting you when you were willing to turn yourself in. That is how ridiculous it has become in our country. So, Mr. Chairman, thank you for this hearing. We are sick of the double standard. We are sick of politics driving who gets prosecuted, who gets pursued, and who doesn't. It is wrong. It's not supposed to happen in the greatest nation ever, where we have a Bill of Rights, where we have a Constitution, where we have the rule of law. But it is. And this hearing is going to help expose all the ridiculous things going on, and why, frankly, this Congress should look at the appropriations process and what we have to do there to begin to rein in these federal agencies that are trampling on American citizens' rights. With that, I yield back to the chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Jordan. I now recognize